So in today's video, we're gonna do this look. This is the brown smoky eyes with nude lips, and this is so simple, so easy. You can practically wear this with anything. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So guys, you already know the drill. We'll start off with the eyes first, and I've already applied my eye primer, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. This is how it looks. I've applied this all over my eyelid. Now we're gonna go with a fluffy brush out here, and today the palette that I'm taking is the Morphe 3502 palette, and this is completely a warm tone palette. Like you can see, I lost this color, so please forgive me on that. Now we're gonna start off with this color out here. This is a nice transition brown shade, and dust off the excess. And we're just gonna put this in the crease. I'm gonna go with this bronzy shade out here and apply this right over my lid. I'm gonna keep it right below my crease line. First, press the product in so that it gives you more pigment. Make sure you take it right up till your crease line and then softly blend it. I'm gonna go with a soft pencil blending brush and blend the edges. Now I'm gonna go with a darker shade of brown, and this is the color that I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna use this right on my lash line and slightly towards the corner of my eye as well. I'm gonna intensify a lot at the corner of my eye. Now take a black shade on your flat brush, and we're gonna use it again slightly the same way we've used the brown, but this will be more closer to the lash line. And do not worry about this mess, this blend that has got out. We're gonna wipe that out. Now go back with the same brush that we've used earlier for the brown and blend this in and make it a little more smoky. I'm gonna take some wipes and I'm gonna wipe off the fallout. We're gonna start off with the face now. I am starting with the Strobe Cream by PAC, and I'm just gonna use this on the highest points of my face, my nose. Now the foundation that I'm using today is a combination, and today I'm going with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Creme. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this, like really tiny, and I'm mixing the Infallible 24 Hours by L'Oreal. Let's see what this does to the face, because I've not used this. This is the first time I'm using this combination. Not sure how it'll work, but I'm ready to experiment. Not bad. Using my Flawlessly Me brush by PAC, I'm just gonna blend this in. Fine. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and just push the product in again, and I'm just doing this to get that, you know, filtered effect. For my concealer, I'm gonna go with the PAC Crayon Concealer. This is the light one, and I'm gonna slightly mix this with the Maybelline concealer, and this is the shade Medium. I'm gonna blend everything in. Now to set my eyes, I'm gonna use the Krylon translucent powder, and I'm gonna take very little of this, and I'm gonna apply this right where I've applied the concealer. And I'm also going to set my face with the NC41 by MAC, and I'm barely dipping this and just apply it all over my face. Now guys, because we're talking about a brown smoky eyes, we want the whole look to just blend in really well. So I'm going with my Hoola bronzer and I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm using it on my cheek. Actually, I'm gonna go with a bigger brush. Now to slightly contour my face, I'm gonna go with the NYX contouring palette. I'm gonna go with this shade out here. Guys, I'm gonna take this blush by Miss Claire. This is the number 39 and I'm slightly gonna apply this right at my cheek. It's a very natural looking blush. For the highlighter, I'm going with MAC. This is the Global Glow and I'm gonna take it on my color bar brush and use it right at the highest point of my face. I'm gonna go with my PAC 396 brush and I'm just gonna blend everything in. Applying all those shades again back on my lower lash line, especially the darker browns. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Quickly, I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna apply the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream and this is the shade 09. This is a very brownish nudie color. It'll go really good with the vibe. So guys, this is the final look. This is the brown smoky eye with nude lips. I'm really loving the vibe this look has given me. I mean, you can practically wear this with anything and anywhere. You can walk your dog, you can walk your cat, you can walk your goat, you can walk your husband. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. That all is The Makeup by Cynthia. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I mean...